Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you what I pack in my Chanel Maxi for traveling, what I bring to the airport, how this bag is like great for airport survival. I'm going to show you all of that. I'm also going to give you a full review of the Chanel Maxi. I know that this is a classic bag, highly sought after, and the price just keeps on going up. So is it worth it to get one? What do I think of it? What is my honest opinion? Coming right up for you guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jodi Mosley. I review luxury items like bags, shoes, and definitely lots of jewelry. I also talk about my sister-in-law journey. I vlog too. Like when I travel, I like to show you where I go and what I do and things like that. So subscribe if you're into that kind of thing. Definitely hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy this video. Let us get started. So just a few specs on the Chanel Maxi. It is the largest classic Chanel bag. It is 9 inches by 12.9 by 3.9. So basically 9 by 13 by 4. So 9, 13, and then 4. So pretty big bag, pretty substantial. This is the grained calfskin, so very, very resistant material, which is why I enjoy traveling with it. This bag does not show wear and tear. It doesn't scuff, it doesn't scratch. It is amazing. So I have the silver hardware. It also comes in gold. I felt like the silver had a bit more of an everyday chic look to it. And I already have like a boy bag with gold hardware, so I wanted to try silver for something a little different. Alright, so let's see what is in my bag for airport travel, and then I'm gonna open it up and kind of show you how it looks and what all the compartments are and give you a review of it. So let's get started. So first up on the back of the Chanel Maxi is a great substantial pocket. It's about hand deep, so very nice. I like to put my phone back there, and once I start to use my passport a lot, I will stick it back there too. Or sometimes I'll just do the phone upright. It doesn't really matter. Great space to put your phone, mask, passport, things you want to get to really easily. Let's open her up. Ooh, I didn't tell you the price, right? So I bought my Chanel Maxi in February of 2021 for sticker price before tax $8,000. I did cringe at the time. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is a lot of money. But I knew this is a bag I want. I want it now. I want it forever. It is a classic. I will never get rid of it. So I'm like, you know you want the bag, go ahead and buy it. I bought it. I'm so glad I did. These now retail for $9,200 in just like 10 months later, you know what I mean? And I believe like last year it was $7,000, and the year before it was probably like, it keeps going up like $1,200, $1,000 increments every single year. I know people who bought theirs for $5,000 not that long ago. So definitely a bag that you want to go ahead and get if you're thinking about it, because the price keeps going up. You can also buy them on the resale market. Hilo Lux does a great video on resale sites. I'm not very familiar with those, but I will be bringing you another video on how to start your bag collection and so forth, so I will dive more into that. But I just wanted to bring that up. My goodness. What is in my Chanel Maxi bag? Alright, so this is for traveling, right? This is my airport essentials. So let me just show you how she looks full. This is what I've got going on at the moment. And this is just very raw and real footage of how I actually pack. So I'll show you the essentials first. One, my iPad. I cannot do without this. I love to edit my videos when I'm traveling or go back through pictures and stuff that I've taken on my trip. So I love that this bag fits my iPad, and it always comes with me to the airport. Next travel essential, passport. Cannot do without that. Next travel essential, my wallet. I don't always bring my whole wallet. Sometimes I'll take out just the cards and IDs that I will be needing and put them in something smaller. A charger. This is a great like $20 charger off of Amazon. It has two slots on it where you could put a cord, which is great for when you don't have a lot of outlets available. You can charge two phones at one time, or both your iPad and your phone or something like that. Essential, my sunglasses. I like to have them in this bag. And then let's get into like my smaller things that are great hacks for when you're going on a long flight or just needing little comfort things, you know. So I've got my AirPods, also from Amazon. I will not buy those expensive ones because I will probably lose them. Sometimes I travel with my keys. It just depends on whether I drove to the airport, or most times I don't, but it just depends. So sometimes I'll bring my keys. Alright, so the little things that I need. My nail file, always bring one of those. I do try to lay it in so it's not getting in contact with my bag to scratch it. Definitely need sanitizer. There's like this little slit pocket here. That's where I have my mask at the moment, but that tends to move around. And then I've got some hand cream. I like these little Nivea tins because they're nice and flat and the cream is so good. Like, it's very softening, and you know, we wash our hands, use a lot of sanitizer, so I always have like some kind of a hand cream in my bag. It seems I'm obsessed with tins here. I'm getting a lot of tins coming out. I guess that is the old soul in me. But I have the Smith's Minted Rose Lip Balm that I really love. I buy it from Sephora. And I like to keep my lips moist. I don't like having dry lips or chapped lips. Speaking of which, I have another lip aid, which is my little Vaseline Intensive Care for Lips. Probably like, you know, $1 from Target. I like to have that as well. Then I'll bring the lipstick that I'm rocking for the day and also a lip gloss. And another tin, my Altoids. I love moist lips and fresh breath, okay? Don't judge me. And then, just in case I need to take any jewelry off, I bring one of my little jewelry pouches and like, you know, another jewelry cloth. I also have a jewelry polishing cloth in here. I just do not like jewelry that is not sparkling or that is dirty or that looks dull. I'm constantly polishing my jewelry after I wash my hands or something. Just a slight obsession of mine. Don't judge me on that either. And then some cute little things that I need. Let's see. I have a makeup remover towelette. This is one of those Neutrogena ones. Love that they are individually wrapped, which makes them awesome for airport travel. And then I've got like a couple tampons in here, other girly things. These are also great, guys. These are the Summer's Eve individual wipes. They are amazing, especially if you're taking a long flight or you have long layovers and you just want to feel nice and fresh the whole day. These little individually wrapped cleansing cloths are amazing. Sometimes I'll also bring like a tiny packet of baby wipes, but these are great for saving on space. And then I have like little floss, you know, the floss pick things. And this is just a little zipper pouch that I was gifted from one of those makeup counters. My friend hates it so much. She's like, you should get yourself like an, and I'm like, no, I don't want to buy a luxury thing to put in here because I don't use it that often and I don't care that much. And then, little life hack. I have a lot of little life hacks for you today. I have a couple packs of matches. Also, don't judge me on this. So I'm the kind of person, it's really hard for me to use a public restroom. Like, I will hold it for eternity. I will. But when you're going somewhere where you have like an 18-hour flight and a 3-hour layover and blah, 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 you just may need to use the bathroom. What are you going to do then? So if you ever need to go number 2 in public, light you a match. There will be no smell. Everything will be great. And it's just awesome. And I know a lot of people don't know this because some of these bathrooms do get kind of stinky. this is a hack that you need. And these matches, I just picked them up from restaurants. You know, a lot of restaurants have matches at the host stand. I'll just grab a pack. So I have 2 packs of them in here, just in case I ever need them. And then I'll bring like my data transfer. This is for transferring data off of my camera's memory card into my tablet. So I also have it in here so that I can get work done. And that's all I have in my bag. So let me tell you about her. Classic Chanel closure. We're going to turn her sideways, pop it open. There are 2 flaps. There is 1 zipper pocket up here. Honestly, I always forget that this is here. I don't think I've ever used it. I forget that it's up there. But it's a nice place to just slip something small, something flat. And then we open up to the CC here. This is a burgundy interior, which I think they've been doing in recent years. So mine is a newer one. I was the first person to ever touch the bag when I bought it in 2021. And therefore, I have the newer interior, which is this color, which is very beautiful. So then you have 1 pocket right here, which is nice, easy access. And then we have our bigger open space, and then there are 2 individual little pockets here. They are separated, so you could put stuff on each side. And of course, we have our pocket in the back. So this is definitely a great bag for, I mean, I use it for everything. I travel with it. I use it as like a great runaround option. I am not very special about my things. I like to use my stuff. That's why I buy them. So I don't reserve anything for whatever, you know. If it's the right bag for my outfit of the day, that is the bag I will be using that day. And that's just what it is. So it's been 10 months. I love this bag so much. If I had to start over my collection, I would definitely make sure to still include her. I don't love buying pre-loved for me personally, just because I like the experience of going to the store and working with my essay and picking out exactly what I want. And I'm more of a person who will get fewer things but better quality things. And I'm not after like just accumulating a whole bunch of stuff. So I'd rather just buy my stuff, you know, from the store or from the retailer. That's just personal preference. But this bag is so strong and so resilient that if you did purchase it pre-loved, you're going to get a good quality bag, unless the person you bought from was a monster. So this is one of the pieces I would say you can get away with buying it pre-loved, and it will look amazing and you will get your money's worth. So this is a keepsake. I would never sell it, but it feels good to know that if I wanted to, I could, and I would make money on it. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. What do you think of the classic Chanel Maxi? Or it doesn't have to be Maxi. What do you think of the classic Chanel style? And did anything in my bag surprise you? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for supporting my journey here on YouTube. I appreciate you so much for being here. My next video will be how to start your luxury bag collection. So definitely look out for that. And I always have videos come in every Monday and Friday. I post new videos. Anyways, guys, see you in another video. Thank you for hanging out with me today.